Man, first night of Vivid, this is amazing. It's been a really fun show so far. Another month to go. Can you hold it a little bit higher, Zach? Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's do this. To the top of the ladder. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, we can hold hands, totally. Yeah, it's 2025. I just want to say you've got very soft hands. You're so welcome. Do you moisturize? It's just cold, okay? Cold hands means soft hands. That makes no sense at all. Okay, keep holding on. I'm just gonna try and get to the top, and then I will stand up. Okay, one more. Right, you two holding the ladder. You're doing an amazing job so far. Can we give these two a massive round of applause? Don't clap. You two keep holding on. Okay. You doing alright there? Okay. So Tommy, you alright? Yeah. Okay. Maybe take a tiny step backwards. Yeah, not too. Yeah, I think that's better. You're like hugging the ladder almost. I'm not that heavy, man. Right, you two. This is the serious part. In a moment, on the count of 3, you will run back to your seats. Yes, you will run as fast as you can away from the ladder. I will then start walking the ladder like stilts. Understand? Very good. Yeah, so after 3. It's 1, 2, 3, let go. Yeah. Also, yeah, when you run, let go of the ladder first. No, you laugh, but seriously, it's happened before. Don't take me with you. Yes, gently let go, then run. Okay, keep holding on. I'm just gonna put one leg over the top so I can hold the ladder between my legs. And then, can you guys lean me back a little bit? Yeah, stop. We just gotta make sure the ladder is straight, and that feels pretty good. Okay, on the count of 3, gently let go, then run. Are you two ready? I'm not. No, seriously, these tiles are so bumpy. It's gonna be, oh my god, it's gonna be freaky. Yeah, I know, right? I'm gonna try my best. Okay, on the count of 3, tiny bit backwards, a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Okay, on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, let go, run guys, run. They're going for it. Okay, we'll go to this bumpy here. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, the council need to fix these floors, eh? Okay, hold on. Okay, wait for it. Keep it going for my 2 volunteers, everybody. Come on. Zach and, I can't turn around. Tommy, you two are amazing. Seriously, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Seriously, without you two, I will not be where I am right now. Seriously, best volunteers ever. It was amazing. Okay, Sue, was it? Can you hold up torch number 1 to my right hand? Very good. Okay, torch number 2. That's number 3. What are you doing? Very good. Last one, number 3. Sue, do you want to throw it at me? Wait, Sue, is that a yes or a no? No? Really? What do you guys think? Should Sue throw it at me? Oh, screw you. Well, you were nice. Oh my god. Okay, Sue, can you stand at the front there? I have a strong feeling you've been drinking tonight. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, Sue, are you left or right-handed? Okay, can you hold it in the middle of the handle like this? Yeah, nice grip. When you throw it, just push it up. It's a push, no crazy underarm or overarm throws. Yes, gentle push to my right hand. It'll be empty, not my left, not my face, and Sue, no. Are you good at throwing things? Yeah? I don't believe you. The way you were swinging that thing, oh god. Okay, so on the count of 3, Sue, you throw, I catch. Everybody here will go crazy for you. Yes. No, I'm catching it. You're throwing it. If it misses, we try again. Yeah. Are you ready? Let's do it. On the count of 3, everybody count with me all together. 1, 2, 3. Sue, back to your spot before they notice. Okay, so can I be honest? That was terrible. No. My hand is here, not down there. Take 1 step forwards. Yep, that was 2. No, that's fine. On the count of 3, are you ready? Let's do this. Everybody together. 1, 2, 3. Come on! That was perfect. Thank you so much for your help. Really appreciate it. One more time for Sue, buddy. Let's do this, people. Grand finale. All I have to do now is juggle the fire and then make it safely back to the ground. Before I do the final stunt, I want to take this moment to say a big thank you to everybody here. Seriously, thank you so much for stopping and watching the show tonight. You have been absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for supporting me and Street Theatre here at Vivid. Thank you. This is actually my first night here and it's been an absolutely amazing show, guys. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kozo Chaos. I've come all the way from New Zealand. Believe it or not, this is my job. Thank you. My parents are Japanese. They're very disappointed that I'm not a doctor. Asian guy failed maths, unheard of. This is what I do for a living. I'm a street performer. I've been doing shows like this for the past 10 years of my life now. I travel around the world. I make people laugh and smile, and I absolutely love it. Now, Vivid has been kind enough to let me perform here. They do not pay me to be here. The only way I get paid is from your kind donations. At the end, I will be standing here with a bag in front of me. If you've enjoyed the show, that is your cue to come forwards. Take out your wallet, grab $50. Put the 50 away and put your wallet in my hat. That's a joke. Nobody ever gives me 50. I truly believe the show is worth 20 for a show like this. I believe that is a great donation, especially if you're a family, a group, or a couple. If you can't afford 20, 10's good. That's like the price of a cold drink at a bar. If you've enjoyed the show, chuck in 10, buy me a drink, that'll make my night. If you can't afford it, 20 would be absolutely amazing. And someone just shouted, do I accept card? Yes, I do. I have a card reader. At the end of the show, if you'd like to tap and donate with your card, I can take card payments as well. And if you can't afford it, I understand. Don't just walk away at the end. Come to me and say thank you. Yeah, follow my social media, Instagram or YouTube. That'll mean a lot. I love my job, and seriously, I cannot do my shows without my audience. Tonight it's been you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching the show tonight. Thank you, Sydney. Thank you, guys. Let's talk more off. Let's do this. I am freaking out on these bumpy tiles right now. Okay. Let's do this. Grand finale. Okay, juggling the fire while balancing 10 feet in the air on top of a freestanding ladder on a very, very bumpy surface. And now it's windy. Oh God. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick wind check. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Slight breeze right now. I cannot see right now, that's crazy. Okay. Right, I'm gonna try my best. Thank you. One last time, can I get a little bit of energy from everybody? Let's do this, grand finale time. When I start juggling the fire, everybody please go crazy. It might not last too long. Okay, 3, 2, one. Move back a little bit. Zach, quickly, before they know, oh, somebody different. Hold it up nice and high. Give this person a round of applause. It's so dark, I can't see. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay. Never give up, people. I'm gonna try again without the music, because it was wait for the finish. Come on!